So if you're going to you put a control in place, that means you're going to mitigate. You're going to reduce your risk. Put a control in place, you mitigate. Now you can actually transfer your risk, which means like buying insurance, which means that this risk is too big to sit on our shoulders. It's too much for us to take on. So there is cyber insurance. There's different types of insurance that deals with anything that could take place and that can negatively affect your revenue. So that's one way, is transferring the risk. Another way is acceptance. You accept the risk. You know about it, you accept it. And really, the acceptance of the risk is when the countermeasure costs more than your potential loss. So that's when you usually just say, okay, we understand the risk and we'll accept it. Now, another way is avoidance. And what avoidance means is you're going to stop whatever is causing the risk. So, for example, if the team has come up with a risk that you're allowing your users to use instant messaging and it's going through your firewall, well, instant messaging is a way to pass viruses and bad stuff just like any other protocol. So you can choose to accept it because maybe there's a business case that you actually need it. You can mitigate it, meaning that you still allow your users to use it, but maybe you set up your own internal instant messaging server and have it controlled. Or you avoid it. You say there's no business use for using instant messaging, so it's not allowed. So avoidance just means you get rid of what actually is causing the risk.